Tēnā koutou e te whānau. We are making lemon slice in the kauta today. It is so simple to make and super delicious. And I'm going to send this off to Michaela and her husband David. Now they got married in the last big lockdown and they have been waiting to celebrate properly with their friends in whānau. And because of all different circumstances, people getting COVID and being immune compromised in their whānau, it is only this weekend that they can finally celebrate together. So I hope that this helps. Ka pai. So let's make our beautiful lemon slice. We start off with a pastry base, spiked with some delicious kiri remana lemon zest. Nā reira, koinei ngā kai ka whakamahia e tātou. Here are the ingredients you need. Kia iwa te kaukaramu pata ku tere tere, 90 grams of softened butter. Kia haurua kapu poehu huka, half a cup of icing sugar. He kini tote, a pinch of salt. Kia kotahi kokoiti wanira, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Kiri remana pi rahi rahi, finely grated lemon zest of 1 lemon. Kia kotahi kapu poehu parawa, 1 cup of flour. Kia kotahi kokonui poehu kanga, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Let's make some pastry. Into a bowl, add your pata ku tere tere, your poehu huka, tote and wanira. Smush it all together with your mixer and then whakapa huka huka tia. Whip it real good until you get a lovely creamy consistency. Then roroia te kiri remana, grate in the lemon zest. Mix it in with the pata. And then add your poehu parawa and poehu kanga. Smush all of that together and then use the best instruments of all. Your ringa ringa, your hands. All you're doing is just bringing this together until it forms a lovely dough. This should take around 1 minute and you'll get a smooth, lovely consistency. And it's done. Now into a 20 centimetre square tin lined with baking paper, smush in, using your hands, your lovely pastry. Now you want to prick it all over, just quarter of the way down into the pastry. This just helps it not rise too much, and then into a 170 degree oven for 23 minutes. Ka pai. So our base is in the oven and it doesn't actually need to cool when you add this next layer, which is a beautiful kahitete remana, a lemon custard, heaps of punchy lemon, and then rounding it off with a beautiful creamy creme fraiche. So delicious and only 5 ingredients. Here's what you need. Kia kotahi kapu tarawai remana, 1 cup of lemon juice. Kia kotahi kapu poehu huka, 1 cup of icing sugar. Kia rua kokonui poehu kanga, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Kia rua rau rimatekau karamu creamy tepe, 250 grams of creme fraiche. Kia whāhiki, 4 eggs. All we're doing is adding our poehu huka into a bowl, along with our poehu kanga. Now add a little bit of your tarawai remana, your lemon juice, into that mixture, and you just want to stir it until nice and smooth and there are no lumps. Ka pai. Now you just want to slowly add in the rest of your tarawai remana and mix until smooth and leave aside. Now into a different bowl, add your creamy tepe, your creme fraiche, and one by one you want to add your hiki, mixing well after each addition. Kia whāhiki, 4 eggs in total. And now we just slowly drizzle in our ranunga remana, our lemon mixture. So easy to do, just slowly pour it in. Korori hia. Stirry, stir, stir. And now our base is out of the oven. Press in the sides and to the edges so it doesn't spill over the sides, and then slowly pour in your mixture. Turn your oven down to 160 degrees And now bake your slice for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, your lemon custard is beautifully set, and all you need to do is dust it with puehuhuka. Divine, and that is actually it if you want it to be. E te whānau, that is literally all you need to do to make this delicious kekere mana, lemon slice, oh yeah. So you just let it cool on the bench and then put it in the fridge, 4 hours minimum, but anything like this I believe is always better overnight and eaten the next day. You can just slice it up and you are done, or you can follow me and make this really simple white chocolate ganache with a pop of yogurt, bling it out with some fresh fruit and serve it as a dessert. Kia kotahi rau rua te kau karamu tiakare te mā kua tapahia, 120 grams of chopped white chocolate, kia hautoru kapu creamy, 1/3 of a cup of cream, kia hautoru kapu mira kape, 1/3 of a cup of yogurt, kia hauwha kapu creamy anō, 1/4 of a cup of extra cream, kia te kau rahi pere maota, 10 fresh raspberries, kia te kau rau raima, 10 lime leaves. Ka pai te whānau, so add your tiakare te mā and karimi into a bowl and place it over a pot of barely simmering water. And then once it's melted, all you do is stir through your mira kape. Your mira kape, your yogurt should be roughly room temperature so it's not too cold. Just stir it through and it is done. Whakamātauhia, refrigerate for at least 1 hour until it's thick like so. And then you just whip it. Continue to whip as you slowly drizzle in your creamy anō, your extra cream. And then you just continue to whip it again until it is lovely and thick and pipable. Perfect. Now we want to slice our beautiful lemon bars that have been sitting in the fridge. And of course you can just smear over that beautiful white chocolate cream if you want. But I always love to decorate things, you know what I'm like. So first we start with some rahi pere tauraki teo, some freeze-dried raspberries for a pop of colour. Then we pipe on our creamy tiakare te maha. Look how beautiful it is. And now add your fresh rahi pere, and I've just cut them into little slivers. And then little sliced pieces of rauraima just complement the slice so beautifully. E te whānau, here we go, a lemon slice blinged out as a pūrini, a dessert and ready to serve to your loved ones. Such a simple idea and so delicious. And to you, Michaela and David, I hope that this brings you a little bit of joy and helps you celebrate with your whānau and friends. Kia koutou katoa, kia pai te toenga o te wiki. Have a great rest of your week. Mā te wā. Mai tōku kauta ki tō kauta, ki ana ki te aroha. Roroi, great. Roroia, greater. Roroia te kirire mana, grate the lemon zest. Pūoro, greater.